I have just found a free PropFem challenge. Okay, guys, welcome back to my channel, guys. If you are new, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video, guys. And also drop a comment, guys, on what should I drop, guys. And don't forget, tomorrow I'm dropping the weekly analysis, guys. So make sure you turn on the notification bell so that YouTube can notify you when I drop a video. So, guys, here, guys, this is TX3 Funding FX, guys. So this is a PropFem, and then it's a broker. So, guys, I'll drop the link in the description, guys, so that you can get the link. Then after you get the link, just open the link, guys. It will take you here, guys, and then you must register, guys. So I've already registered my own, guys. So for you guys, you'll come here and then sign up for free, guys. After you sign up, you know all the details you have to do, fill in the details and whatnot. So I will just log in so that the video cannot be that long, guys. So guys, after logging, after registration and everything, guys, you don't need to verify your account, guys. You just need to register, enter your name, surname details, everything, guys. And then after you can log in. After you log in, guys, you come to this, guys. After you come here, guys, you go to rewards, guys. So guys, let me tell you, this rewards thing, guys, you just have to complete tasks. It's not like you have to invite people and whatnot. How many people? See, guys, I already have 680 points right now. So guys, let me show you the task, guys. So this one's let me show you the ones they already approved. I've made them, guys. And if you complete just this, I think there are 7 tasks. If you complete these, guys, you'll get an account, guys, and they are very simple, guys. You see, you just follow them on Twitter, you subscribe to their YouTube channel. You see the points is 30 points, it's 40 points. Again, yeah, we just write what is your favorite feature about it. Share your trading setup in their Twitter, or we'll just share a setup and tag them in Twitter or in Instagram. It's up to you which one you're going to use, guys. Okay, let me take it, scroll a little bit down. Let's go to another page. So you say post your trading goals for and tag them. You spread the word that they now offer the MT5 platform. You also spread the word that they offer a trader. So guys, these tasks are very simple. And then why do you want to trade with why I trade with TX3? You just post, guys. They're very, very simple task, guys. This thing, to complete this task, it won't even take you even 10 minutes, guys. They are very simple. I just did them, guys, and then I got the points. I have 620 points right now. And that for 620 points, let me go to rewards and show you which account I qualify to have now. I can claim it even now, but I don't want that account, because for me it's not okay. But I'll show you why I say that. You see, okay, the free market memo, you can get the 10% discount with 150 points to purchase the account. So these are the things: 20% to purchase the account. Okay, you see, 750 points, you can get a free 2-step proof 5K account, which means mine, because I have 608, I do not qualify to have them. My points are still low, so I'm waiting. I just completed 2 tasks, and each of the tasks they give me 100 points, 100 points. So I'm waiting for them to verify if it's okay, and then they will give me those 200 points. And then I will come for these 2 free K, the 2-step 5K pro, and then the free step with the one phase, it's 700 points. 2-step the flex one. You see this one, I can qualify 650 points. I can even claim it right now, but I won't claim it, guys, because I'm not comfortable with this one. So I'll show you why I don't want it. Because for me, I've been trading with profits for a long time. They are having a profit cap. So for me, it's not okay. But okay, mind you, you can take it, guys, if you are comfortable. I will show you. Okay, guys, I will just minimize the screen so that it can be a bit smaller, because when I open there, it shows everything. It shows my details, my billing details. So I don't have time to I want you to claim this account. I don't have time to edit the video, because I don't know how long is this valid, guys. So I just found the information yesterday late, so I decided to do the video today. So guys, let me show you the challenges, the reason why I'm saying, because that one is this one, This is the one the two-face flex that I qualify to take, guys. Let me show you. Okay, there are rules. Where are the rules? A bit down. Okay, guys, look. Okay, guys, so the target profit is 10%, which is 500, even on phase two. Daily loss is 5%, it's 250, same as phase two. The maximum loss is $500, both phases. And then the leverage is 1:100. Profit cap, guys. The problem I'm having is this one, the profit cap. So it has a profit cap, guys. If you don't know what profit cap is, guys, this means the only profit that you are allowed to withdraw is $100 and below. So guys, if you can get 100, if maybe you get $200, maybe say you make profit on this account for $200, you are not allowed to withdraw more than $100, guys. So that's what that's what a profit cap is. So guys, that's why I'm not comfortable. I don't want an account with a profit cap. So, and then which means if maybe you reach the $100, guys, the profit split is 80-20, which means you are on that $100 going to get $80, and then they take $20 per cycle, guys. So every time you withdraw, this is what you are going to get. $80, they take 20%, which is $20. That's how it is, guys. So the reason I want that one is, remember the pro one. Let me show you. The pro one doesn't have this thing, the profit cap, guys. So the pro one, the rules are still the same, but the target for the pro is very flexible, guys, because it is 8%. Only have to target $400, and the minimum days is 3 days, and that one, the minimum days is 5 days, which means for the flex one, you have to trade 5 days before you can complete the phase one and the phase two. The phase one, 5 days, the phase two is 5 days also. This one is 3 days, and then phase two is 3 days. And then and then the profit, we see the target profit on the phase one is $400, on the phase two is $250. And then you see the profit share is 80-20, still the same. It has a consistency rule of 40%. 40% is doable, guys. So I don't see any problem with that one. And then the profit cap, there's no profit cap here, which means you can generate as much profit as you can, guys, and withdraw it. You can generate as much profit as you can and withdraw it. So guys, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video, guys. Or also drop a comment, guys. Thank you, guys.